Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and as I stated in that other video, I think if you contour to the outside versus the inside, you might get a better, so we're going to do both of them. We're going to contour to the inside and the outside. See if we can't get rid of this little bit of sharp turn on this part right here, because I've got them pretty even, pretty good. So let's take and go up here to this contour tool down here on your toolbar. We'll go 3 times, and we'll go from the inside out about that size 3 times. Now you see the little sharp point. So let's do this. Let's contour to the outside this time. Get our contour tool, go to the outside with 3 steps, but we need to expand that out quite a bit to be about the same. Now that you have the contour, it's quite a bit bigger, I grant that, but if you select it all, and let's go ahead and break the contour part, but go ahead and group it together. And then if you drag it from this corner smaller, making it roughly the same size. Now our contours have changed sides, so you could play around with that, but see where we got a sharp turn? Where this one is quite a bit smoother. I mean, it's perfectly smooth. So you could do the same thing that we did earlier. We could rotate this thing 90 degrees, Control D and make a duplicate. Mirror it, take that point right there and go to that point. I'm a little bit off. And I might not have centered but I think I just don't have much. Sometimes it's better to move it out of the way. So now you have a lot smoother track, I guess if that's what you're going to call it. So sometimes it's better to go to the outside, because when you go to the inside, it's going to make your little bit of off, make it worse, where on the outside, it's going to just continue instead of having that. Well, even the person that drew this had a little sharp corner. And you could always, I mean, if you go, well, that's too big, we could have changed the contour and you could shrink that down and play with it, whatever you want to do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.